Good evening, everyone. It is September 12th, 2017. We're 2017 Panini Immaculate Baseball 1-box break number 14. Random teams. So we have a total of 28 spots, a couple combo teams, Marlins, Padres, Brewers, Rays. Let's roll the dice. 1 and a 5, so 6 times on the list of names and the teams. 6 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6th and final time. After 6 times, roll to 6. Timothy, you're right at the top. You're also at the bottom. Alright. 6 times out on the list of teams. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After 6 times, Mariners at the top. And we have the Chicago Cubs at the bottom. Alright. So Tim, you have the Mariners. Joe with the Angels. Nancy, you have the Nationals. DK with the Dodgers. Nancy with the Giants, Rockies, and Twins. Shannon, you have the Braves, Orioles, and Reds. Harry with the D-backs. We have Tim, you have the Phillies, White Sox. DK have the Texas Rangers. Brandon with the Pirates. Mike with the Brewers, Rays. Lee with the Padres, Marlins. Brandon, you have the Tigers, Last Spot Mojo. Jeffrey with the A's. Nancy with the Mets. Jeffrey G. Goldberg with the Yankees. Jeffrey Mason with the St. Louis Cardinals. Luke with the Boston Red Sox. Colin with the Blue Jays. Nancy with the Indians. Jeffrey Mason with the Astros. Lee with the Royals. And Tim, you have the Chicago Cubs. Alright guys, so I'm going to let the video continue to run. But if you guys do want to make any trades, you guys will have the opportunity. Yeah, Cubs are a good team to get an Immaculate. I mean, guys, obviously we don't know what's going to come out of here. But we hope that there is big hits for everybody. So here it is right here, guys. All right. So we got 3. So once I get done with this break, if Gold Standard is not sold out, I'm going to take a couple minutes and put back in a Spectra break, put back in, what was that, the break that sold out? I'll put back in Noir if we can, put another Immaculate back into the store, that way we can reload the store again. So let me know if there's going to be any trades. If not, I'm going to TWC it right now. Do I got the right top loaders for this? I'm pretty sure I do. Alright, TWC. Alright, we'll generate one of these boxes that are available. And as you can see, it is box 1, 5, and 7. Last 3 boxes of the case. Show you guys the list once again one more time, and then we'll generate a box. And we'll see what comes out of that box. So good luck. Brandon with the Tigers. Alright, so let's generate either 1, 5, or 7 right here. There were a total of 8. And it is box 3, not available. Box 7. There we go. Box at the bottom. I will put another one in the store, number 15, once we get done with this break. It's a little sticker there for 10 buck bricks. Alright. All right. So we'll go with the first one. It is a 20 of 99, Rick Porcello for the Boston Red Sox. This should be 130. All right, Boston Red Sox. Going to Luke D. Next one. 55 of 99, Ryan Healy. Oakland Athletics. Going to Jeffrey Mason. Sweet. Here we go. 76 of 99, Chris Bryant. Relic for the Cubs. Going to Tim. Should be 130. All right, the next one is Jorge Alfaro. 56 of 99 for the Philadelphia Phillies. Going to Tim and the Phillies. All right, next one. We have Josh Bell, 35 of 49. Patch with the ink, eye black. That's pretty cool. There's one thing I liked about Panini with NT, and I think it was only Immaculate actually. They do like an eye black. Very, very cool. Pittsburgh Pirates going to Brandon G. All right. And the last one is a patch autograph to 99. It is Chris Sale. 46 of 99 for the Boston Red Sox. Boston going to Luke with the Red Sox. All right. And there you go, guys. That was the break. That was number 14. Not sure what's left in the two boxes. Not sure if we hit a Bellinger yet. Judge, all the big rookies, big hits in the first couple boxes. But there is two left. We will put it back into the store number 15. Jaspy's Hobbyland, $10 breaks. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.